In this video, we're going to look at how you freeze a column or a row. So in some cases, you may have a row header that you always want to have visible, and sometimes your data is going to scroll down the screen and it's going to fill up your sheet here, but you're going to have to scroll to be able to see it, but you want to keep that header. So the way you do that is you select the row and you go up to View, and right at the top you see where it says Freeze. So right here we can choose, in this case we'll say up to current row 3. So what that does is it freezes the rows here, but it lets me see the headers in the columns as I scroll. And we can do the same thing for columns. So if I want to say I want to keep the first and last names there, but I want to be able to scroll the assignments. Select this, go up to View, Freeze, View, Freeze. Come down here up to current column C. So now when I scroll, the names will stay there, and I can see the different assignment scores. Okay, in this short video, we learned how to freeze columns and rows. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.